How to replace this seal pad on the USV32 Chamber Vacuum Sealer. This seal pad is used to press against the seal bar when making a seal on the bag. So it's important that if this becomes deformed or defective, that you'll replace it to ensure you get a positive seal on every bag. Now all you have to do to replace it is slide it out of the holder . Once you have your replacement seal pad, pay attention to the grooves on the seal pad. The wider end is going to face out, and make sure you line up the grooves with the grooves in the metal holder on the lid. And you'll want to start at one end and slide and pull the seal pad all the way across the holder, making sure that it's lined up with the grooves. And once it's all the way in, it's ready to go.